Hey guys, welcome back on this channel where we give you great reviews of different products and different foods and all that other type of stuff. Today it's another gaming product review and it's for the HAVIT Gaming Keyboard. So we just got this in the mail from Amazon. Let's see what it looks like. All right. There's the mouse. All right. I'm going to do a few clicks in just a little bit.
It also comes with a key remover. So if you want to remove your keys, you take this tool and then you could pop them off. Well, I'm not going to pop off a key.
All right, don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay.
Why would you want to pop off a key?
I don't know. Because if you want to see the keys, you could pop off the keys.
Okay, all right. Well, let's not pop off any keys right now. So, all right, it comes in this box. We got rid of the old, let's show them the old keyboard we were using. Crappy one from Dell. Dirty, messed up. All right, so now, brand new gaming keyboard.
And mouse.
And the mouse, let's check out, where's the mouse?
Right here.
Oh, did I already show you the mouse? All right. How does it feel? Better than the other one?
Way better than the other ones.
Way better than this old one from Dell. Nothing against Dell, but hey.
Yeah, it's like a 30-year-old mouse.
30-year-old mouse. All right. Let's see where, I'm sure this is from China, right?
Yeah, it says on the back of the box.
All right, 6 gears of speed indicator lights will show different light colors according to different DPI. Makes your gaming more particular. 16 million colorful breathing light effects, which can be customized. The colors by software. Able to adjust the brightness and backlit style as you need. Multiple keys combined with the FN for keyboard functions. Okay.
I know how it already works.
Made in China,
Hey,
you were right.
now.
Made in China. All right. Well, look at how the mouse lights up. That's cool.
Like I can change its color also.
Wow, that's cool. Wow.
Like you can also change its mode and stuff like that.
That's cool.
Oh, look. It goes really fast though.
Nice. All right, we got it on yellow.
Yeah, I'm making a
Oh,
rainbow.
that's just all rainbow colors. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
can you?
What's that eagle symbol? Is that the symbol for
that's
HAVIT?
Yeah, HAVIT.
HAVIT. Have it your way.
With HAVIT.
HAVIT. All right.
Okay, we're gonna connect the keyboard and see how this baby lights up. Boom. Yeah, this is cool.
You're right.
Look.
Wow.
Woohoo.
Look at that.
This is number 1, number 2. Whoa, this is cool. Let me try it. Number 3, it just goes and swivels. Then number 4, which is like waves. Number 5, it's like up and down. This just turns the keyboard off and on. And then you also got 1, which is just the Windows button. 2, which is, I don't know, same thing. 3, 4. 4 is everything. 5, which is WASD, ER, F, B. This. Like for normal controls. 6, you got the walk buttons. And you got WASD, caps, and Windows. And then 7 is just the typing part lit up and Windows key. And then 8, nothing. 9, nothing. And nothing like that. So nothing really else. So that's all the lighting modes.
All right. Hey, how much did we pay for this? Like $40 altogether?
$40.
With the shipping?
Yeah.
And the tax and everything?
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, there's your review. So, what do we say?
It's great.
All right. Okay, guys, there's your review. If you want any more of these reviews, you got to subscribe to this channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them to subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys.
All right, guys, and hit that notification bell too, so you can get these videos right away. And the last thing is, you got to remember that if you like these videos, that you really, really, really have to let us know. Comment below. We haven't seen a lot of comments, so we want to know if you have one of these keyboards, what you think, or based on this video, if you're thinking of getting one. So, all right, guys, see you later from New York, the Empire State. Okay, welcome back. We just found out something here. When you press a key, look how it lights up. We want to show you that as well. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here, just press a few different keys. Let's show them, like an individual key.
This is...
No, just do one individual key. Just show them how it...
Not wrong one. I keep forgetting the mode. What mode it was. No, it's this one. I think. No, this is the wrong one. Definitely.
Okay, you got to find the right mode, guys. Just letting you know, if you want it to light up each time you press a key, you got to know which mode you're on.
Yeah, that's annoying. Basically, you guys all know what to do already.
All right, we showed you from the beginning, right? I think that...
Yeah, we just showed them from the beginning.
Okay, all right. Okay, guys. You figure it out. Read the Where's the instruction booklet, by the way?
It's over there.
Where?
It's on the bed.
I don't see it.
Oh my god.
I don't see it. Where is it?
I think it's somewhere on the bed. No, it's right here.
All right, let's show you some of the instructions. Yeah, this is going to help. Let's see, gaming keyboard. So it comes with a user's manual. Thank goodness. Of course, he's not reading it, but yeah. So it seems pretty handy dandy. Why don't you check out the user's manual? It's got how many pages? It's all in Chinese. What? Okay, that manual ain't going to help if it's all in Chinese. Let's see, is that English? No, that ain't English. Do we have any English? Oh, thank goodness, there's English. Okay, U.S. So, how many pages for the United States? 1, 2, 3. I guess it's like 4 pages, that's it. Because then it goes into German, I think. All right. Alrighty, there you go. All right, so you got 5 pages of material for your keyboard. And look outside our window. Look at what we see. Isn't that beautiful? I hope you really don't think that's outside our window. All right, guys. See you later. Because New York's beautiful at night, but actually that could be New York. I mean, really, right? It could be New York.
Could be.
Okay. There's a lot of lakes and stuff like that. Okay. See you later, guys. Remember, give it a thumbs up if you like. Okay, look at what it looks like now when it's all lit up.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah, it is cool.
Just do this one. This one's cool also. I really like this one because it shows if you're playing a game like Fortnite, you could put your slots, number slots right here, WASD, Q to and edit, R to pick up, Then you got B, and then you got caps, control windows. So this is really helpful.
All right.
I'm gonna play on PlayStation.
A lot better than
except if you don't like the noise.
The Dell keyboard.
I feel bad for you if you don't like the noise because it's a mechanic blue switch.
Well, it's probably not good. That will be in our review of it. If you have it in a room where you're afraid you're gonna wake somebody, probably wouldn't work.
Probably wouldn't work out.
You shouldn't be gaming in a room where somebody's sleeping anyway, because it's gonna be all lit up. So that's all I have to say about that.
And yeah,
what are you putting on now?
I'm just taking off the key.
Why are you pulling out the key?
Because I can. No. I'll try that later.
All right, there you go. If you like pulling out keys out of keyboards,
oh, I think I know how to do it.
You have the ability to do it, and hopefully he'll be able to put it back. Okay, guys, is that it?
Yep, that's it.
All right, that's it for the review. And remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get stuff right away. And by the way, if you're a Mets fan, the Mets just swept the Phillies in a doubleheader, and they're in first place. So let's go Mets, too. If you're a Met fan and a gamer, you got to love this channel. And if you're a Phillies fan and a gamer, you can watch it, too. All right, see you later.